Changes in the thyroid gland are becoming more and more frequent and appear up to 7 times more frequently in women than in men. The causes for this can be varied, ranging from nutrient deficiency or hormonal imbalances to an excess of toxins or food allergies. But it's not always easy to realize that we may be experiencing a problem with this specific hormonal gland. Our thyroid is very important for our body since it interferes with the health of our heart, our metabolism, our brain function, and more. Did you know that fatigue, apathy, hair loss, and weight gain may all be related to a thyroid disorder? When there is a change in our thyroid, it can cause us to develop hypo or hyperthyroidism. In addition to seeking a doctor to diagnose your problem and prescribe you the correct treatment, you also need to improve your day-to-day habits. You can do this by 1. Avoiding gluten. People with a sensitive bowel may be intolerant to gluten, which can cause inflammation in their intestine and thereby weaken the thyroid. 2. Avoiding fluoride. As we have seen before on the channel, excessive fluoride in our body can cause several health problems, one of them being a thyroid dysfunction. According to research, fluoride causes iodine deficiency, which plays a very important role in maintaining a healthy thyroid. 3. Regulating iodine levels. Since we're already talking about iodine, do you know if your iodine levels are within the normal range? If not, you can increase them by taking supplements or by eating more potatoes, seafood such as shrimp, cod, and seaweed, plums, and others. 4. Decreasing BPA exposure. This toxic substance causes our hormones to become unbalanced and can cause thyroid disorders. Therefore, avoid canned foods and plastic containers that are not indicated to be free of BPA. 5. Eliminating heavy metals from your body. Getting rid of the heavy metals that are present in your cells and tissues will reduce thyroid problems. And, according to research, cilantro can perform this detox. Cilantro is a commonly used spice around the world. It can be consumed in several ways, and even though eating its leaves is the usual way, brewing a cilantro tea will also work. You really should include this beneficial drink in your daily routine. Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 cup of water, honey, optional. And here's what you do. Boil the water and add the coriander seeds. Cover the pot with a lid and let it steep for 15 minutes. Now, take the pot off the stove and strain the infusion. Wait for it to cool off, then drink it. If you want, you can sweeten it with some honey. Drink it every morning on an empty stomach. According to people who have already used it, after a couple of weeks, you will begin to see the results.